I am not in competition with anyone but myself. My goal is to improve myself continuously. If you are born poor, it's not your mistake. But if you die poor, it's your mistake. I choose a lazy person to do a hard job, because a lazy person will find an easy way to do it. I believe innovation is the most powerful force for change in the world. Learning from mistakes and constantly improving products is a key in all successful companies. We get comfort from those who agree with us, but we get growth from only those who don't agree with us. The need to communicate effectively with your customers will come up again and again. I read an hour almost every night. It's part of falling asleep. Billionaires should never be responsible for solving problems because they are not the government. I'm serious when I do my work. I'm not serious when I'm home with my kids. Embrace bad news to learn where you need the most improvement. We all need people who will give us feedback. That's how we improve. People cannot become truly knowledgeable without being excellent readers. You think your teacher is tough. Wait till you get a boss. When you are failing, you are forced to be creative, to dig deep and think, night and day. You can make money and you can make excuses, but you can never make money out of excuses. Life is a lot more fun if you treat its challenges in creative ways. Computers and games don't waste time, people do. A fundamental new rule for business is that the internet changes everything. I have $100 billion. Do you realize I could spend $3 million a day, every day, for the next 100 years? And that's if I don't make another dime. Our success has really been based on partnerships from the very beginning. Giving money effectively is almost as hard as earning it in the first place. W was about you. Ni story, but what a waste of time.